like this, all of us. Notable pseudocode mashups. Never program mad. Nice poodle, mister. Noisy pop music. 90s party mix. Or nuclear potato monster. What is it? What do these words got in common?
NPM.
Great. NPM, it's the topic of my educational window and how to create NPM module as a public and publish it to NPM JS registry.
How to create nuclear monster?
Nuclear potato monster, yeah.
Okay.
And how to never program mad.
Yeah. So welcome to my educational window. It will be about NPM, and the topic or the title is From Zero to Public NPM. And today's agenda is I will say something about what is NPM, and also I will show you how to create and publish an NPM module. So what is NPM? NPM stands for it is Package Manager for Node.js. So the NPM Package Manager, the abbreviation for it is NPM. It is world's largest software registry. There is over 1 million code packages published, and it's also a command line client where you can manage your NPM package or install other NPM packages to your own NPM package. It's also free to use. You don't have to pay for it. And it was created in 2009. Now let's get started with demo. So the first thing to do is create a folder where we have our great and awesome NPM package. The next thing to do is initialize NPM as we want to use this folder as our base for our package. So we type in NPM in it, and now a few questions. The NPM command line utility asked to us, and if the package name is correct, or we can overwrite it to something else because it's inherited from the folder name. The version, it's typically 1. Some description. I can say something like my awesome NPM. Entry point is it's convention that it is index.js, but it could be something else, anything else. And test command. I don't want to discuss any tests inside NPM, so we will skip this. Git repository, I also won't show anything about NPM and Git. Some keywords, author, license. There's a standard ISC. And this command will generate for me package.json file and inside it will be this content. It will be inside inside the package.json file, as we can see. And I open my folder. As you can see here, it will generate my package.json file, and I also have to create some content of my package. So some application of something. So I will have to the convention of Node module package is that the source code of our application is inside src folder. So here I will create index.js file, and there will be our application. Our application will be very, very simple. So it will be something like module exports, and it will be function, or module is function, and it will write something into console. Something like hello from my awesome NPM. So this is our source code. So basically, it could be also some TypeScript or any language what you are programming in, and then the complete or finished or transpiled code, or compiled maybe, should be in a folder called dist. It's like distribution, so this folder will be distributed as the NPM package. So for because I don't have any TypeScript or anything else, I will just copy paste it, because this is my plain JavaScript, and I will also mention it in package.json that my files of my NPM packages of my NPM package is inside dist folder. And I want it write it recursively. So this is the expression for it. And now I got my NPM package ready to publish it. This is all. This is it. This is my NPM package, and all what it does is it will say hi into console. So I will run command npm publish, and this command will publish our NPM package into npm.js registry, and it is here, npmjs.com, and there you can find over 1 million modules. So let's hit it. That's all. Okay, it's not done yet. Uploading. Now it's done, and it says my awesome NPM, and I can find it inside the registry. My awesome NPM is here. published a few seconds ago, and I can also use it. So I also prepared, or I have a preparation for using of our NPM package. So I want to use my NPM my awesome NPM utility, and here I want to also initialize the NPM. I will just hit all of those questions and options, and it will create for me package.json. And then I want to open folder with this folder. This is my utility where I can and why I want to use my awesome NPM package as a dependency. So I will write it into dependencies section of my package.json, and it was my awesome NPM. Well, that's not mine. Actually, it's maybe cached, so the cache was not clean. But never mind. Now it suggested me that this is the version what I want. This is the latest version of my awesome NPM, and now I can install my dependencies like with this npm space I, and it will install my package. Now it's installed inside the node modules folder, and I can see it here. And as I can also run some code for you. So if this is some application, I can use it like this, and I want to require my awesome NPM, and I want to require it from my awesome NPM. It will suggest it for me, and it is a function, so I just put it like this and run node, which is I didn't mention the Node.js. The NPM is bundled with Node.js. It is needed for Node.js. So you have to have Node.js installed on your system. So I will run it like this. So index.js. I got some error. Cannot find module my awesome NPM. Why is that? My awesome NPM. Awesome NPM. It's strange because I got my node module here and it says it cannot resolve the file name my awesome NPM. I will restart my node and my Visual Studio Code. And again. I don't understand why now there is a problem with this, but believe me, this is how it works. I also tested this is not my first time how I created Node module this package, so I don't understand why it cannot be now executed by Node. I see why. No, it's NPM. It was already done, yeah? It is already done. Nothing. Well, I don't know. If you have any questions... sorry. So, I said my presentation was about what is NPM, and also a demo how to create and publish a simple NPM module but not to run it. Never mind.
It doesn't say there that you should run it, so...
Yes, okay. Next time I will write in there that I will also run it as a dependency. Do you have any question?
You need registration to publish NPM package.
Yes, you need registration. You have to have a account, and because I'm logged in, actually it will prompt login when you hit npm publish command. It will prompt you about your login credentials.
I guess when you create the package, it asserts that the name is not already existing, right?
Exactly. It will tell you that because npm package name must be unique.
And you can also remove package.
You can also unpublish.
Unpublish.
Unpublish, yeah, that's the command for it. Unpublish, npm unpublish.
And for update, it's the same process, or?
Yeah, it's the same process, and you have to bump your version up. So you have to overwrite your version in the package JSON, and then npm and run npm publish command. That's all.
So it's the same, but just pointed some different version in your...
Yes. You cannot publish same version as it is published now.
So you can publish the same thing, but just change the number and it's not.
Yes.
Tak mám ještě dotaz, a tady nebyli anglicky. Tam byly dva adresáře, srdce a disk. Distribuce. Musí být nějak jako propojený, nebo se tam v podstatě něco týkající?
Můžeš, tak jak jsem to vytvořil, tak to prostě, tak se dělá, tak je to konvence.
Jo, a není to jako, že by to z toho source budovalo samo?
Ne, ten source, to jsem jako udělal, použil konvenci, tak jak se to používá. To jsem tam vůbec mít nemusel, ale pro nějaké znázornění, že tam je zdrojový kód, tak jsem to chtěl znázornit.
Jo, a není to povinný a vůbec se s tím nepracuje NPM?
Není to povinný.
Protože jsem koukal, že dostaneš dokonce akorát ten distribuční.
Tak. Zajímá tě ten distribuční adresář, to je to, co publikuješ. Spolu s package JSON, tím konfiguračním souborem.
Jo, takhle, ty jsi ani nenahrál tady ty NPM.
Nahrál.
Ty to srdce?
Prosím?
I to srdce?
Ne, to srdce ne.
No, teď jsi to nepublikoval, to srdce.
Ale package JSON a dist jsou publikované.
Jo, ale srdce ne.
Srdce ne. To jsem definoval vlastně v package JSON sekci file.
Ty tam definuješ soubory, které se tam nahrají?
Ano.
Nebo ten vstupní?
Ne, ty, které se tam nahrajou.
Jo tak, kam se je to ten vstupní, jako u buildu.
Ne.
Jo, je tam musí vypsat všechny.
Jde o publish. Teď jsme řešili čistě publish. Vůbec žádný kompilace. Vůbec to šlo mimo.
Právě, jakože jo. Teď tam nahraješ, napíše všechny soubory, které se publikují.
Tak.
Když nějaký zapomeneš, tak má uživatel smůlu.
Tak. Proto se většinou používá hvězdička, nějaký jako výraz pro to, aby žádný nezapomněl.
Jo. Takhle děkuji.
Jestli to je všechno, tak díky za pozornost. Kdo by chtěl, můžeme tady společně ještě zkoumat, proč to nejde. Proč mi to nejde spustit, netuším.
Mě nezajímalo to zkoumání, mě zajímalo ten výsledek.
No, ten výsledek je ten, že to vypíše do konzole.
Ne, jako výsledek, jako čím to bylo.
Tu hlášku, jo takhle, no, čím to bylo.
Když to zkoušel, tak si zkoušel ten samý název?
Zkoušel jsem, ne, právě, že tady jsem si dal jiný, jo. Já jsem si to jsem si právě zkoumal, jestli můžu použít tenhle ten název. To vůbec mě nenapadá, proč to prostě nefunguje. Taková, jo.
V tom node modulu to máš, on se ti objevil, takže on to ukazoval, že on se ti tam stáhnul.
Asi ono to nebude tím, že... Ale proč? Proč by to neviděl jakoby skrz tu složku, jako přes dist, jo? No fakt, že asi jo. Já to musím dělat tohle, takhle jsem to nedělal vůbec, ale... Tam opravdu stačilo... Já už možná vím proč. No, ono to fakt takhle funguje. Ale já už vím proč. My musíme...
To nedá nějaký ten vstupní bod, nebo něco takového?
No, v tom... Tady by měl být main, no ale on není, protože si všimni, kde máme package JSON
no,
a cesta je index.js, ale tady žádný index.js není, že? Takže on to neví. Takže tam musíme nastavit dist. Tak, and now you can see the versioning. Takhle to vlastně publikuju, and this is how I will publish it. NPM publish. And now I will have to run npm I to, before that I will have to change or upgrade my awesome npm package and hit npm install. Now I believe in success, but there is an exception because I need to delete this. And I did like this. Yep. Now finally it's working. So I have to explain it again. That in package.json we have to mention or define our main field as a entry point of our Node module package. And my mistake was that it was inside index.js file, but there is no index.js file in this folder. So you have to write it as a dist because our entry point is in dist. Index.js and it's here. Questions? No more questions? Thank you.